Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into it.
So today's video is going to be a pyramid party favor that I actually have as a template on my website and on my Etsy store. So this is a file. When you're going to receive it, you're going to see just like this, and then you're going to go ahead and just click that middle image. It's going to have the instructions all over it. And it's going to take you to this page right here. You're just going to scroll down to the bottom where it says edit template. And then you're going to go ahead and start using that template. So I'm just zooming in right here just to show you how easy it is. You have like your triangles that is there, your borders, your background, and so on. So you can kind of like work with the template the way how you want to. So first, I'm going to actually do this for my son's birthday party, which actually already passed. So I'm just redesigning it so you guys can see. I just didn't want to create a new design. I didn't want to think about it. So this one I'm doing for elemental, and this I'm just going to put this in the background. And you just kind of layer it over the background image that's there. Send it to the back. And then you're gonna go ahead and start working on your triangles and like your background area. So I'll go ahead and just delete that that image layout template, and then I'm gonna start working on my triangles and setting up my page the way how I want to. And this one I'm gonna actually make a gradient because you can do that on Canva now. So I'm just showing you how you can do it on Canva with these images. Some images are still not able to do like that gradient feature, but some of them are. So this like triangle is one of them. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and create that gradient again, and you can change your gradient to like whatever style you want. As you see, like there are many options with it. You can do it like starting from the bottom, starting from a circle, and so on. I'm just gonna do this borders black because it's just simple. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start laying up my elemental design, and then you guys are gonna see how it goes. And yeah, so I always kind of like just layer it. I put it like in the triangle area, you know, I shape it down to wherever I need it to be, and then I make sure I put the images like if they like kind of hang, they're in the area a little bit. I just kind of like minimize the images, and then like hide them behind like the triangles, and so it doesn't really show that much. So if they kind of like are too big, I'll stretch them out and so on. So right now I'm just doing the border, and because it's elemental, I just did a black border. I just put the elemental logo on there because I didn't know what else to do. I already had like a fire one, so I wanted like them to be like so different but so similar at the same time for my son's party. And then I just like basically do it all over again, and I'm just gonna start loading up the images that I need. And just like going down, and then eventually I like put my son's image on there and so on. But I'm just going to speed up this process for you right now. But basically, this is how you would lay it out. And then right here is where I start loading my little images. And like I just kind of like load it, and then I just put it in the background. You're gonna see, I put it as a layer in the background. So it's always gonna be in the back. I actually didn't use that image eventually. I think I changed it to another image. This is what I actually did before. So I'm just actually gonna copy and paste it. And this is what I would do if I didn't create like a file prior. So I created the file prior, so I just I created like a chip bag fryer. So I just copied everything from a chip bag and just made my job like 10 times easier. Yeah, so pro tip, if you do have a creation that you created before, you can just copy and paste most of the design over and just kind of like just set up the page the way how you want it to, which is what I did right here. I just set it up the way how I wanted it to, and that was it. I just kept going back and forth until I got like everything that I needed from the chip bag that I did. Actually, that's a coloring book that I did. So yeah, all the images I got from like the coloring book that I previously did prior. And I am finally in the final steps prior to printing. So I'm just setting up these last images where exactly I wanted them to go. And I put my little flow code on there because, you know, you got to promote yourself. And this is it after it's printed. So it's pretty easy. This is all you need. You need your pink shears to complete the assembly. You will need your scissors, your glue gun. Of course, mine didn't have a little glue stick in there. And that's it. You're gonna need your little fingers to do the work and whatever you're putting in there. For this one, I'm gonna put ring pops, but you can put whatever you want. You can put fruit snacks, so on, whatever you need in there. And for me, it's easier for me to just fold the actual triangles. It gives it more of like a cleaner triangle look. So I'm just folding them individually, like I crease them exactly at the corner that it's supposed to be at, and then I just continue to crease it, do those folds until it's completely folded, and then you're just gonna fold the top, and then I'll start by actually sealing the middle with the hot glue. So you see me working down the middle, and then I'll go ahead and just seal that middle part. Then after the middle part, I seal the direct, that straight line. So that is at the very top. All right, so I seal it and then I flip it over and I fold it in the opposite direction that I sealed it. And then that makes that triangle right there. I just drop my little ring pop in there. I make sure it's even. And then I go in with my hot gun again, and then I'll seal it again. And now my ring pop is completely sealed in my pyramid image template. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use my pink shear and just do some like final touches. And this is, you know, depends on preference. I like those zigzag edges, so I add them to like some of my designs, but some of them I don't. So you can have it straight or you can use the zigzag edges. And that's just me clean up the area, and that's it. That's my whole image right there. And thank you guys so much for tuning in and checking out my YouTube page. I am glad you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, definitely go ahead and hit me up below and hit that subscribe button for more videos for the future. Thank you again. Bye.